Hi guys, it's Marilou here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a special edition because Halloween na naman guys. Medyo late na ako. But yeah, I will try to recreate a look for a Halloween look. This is the first time that I'm going to do a ghost bride guys. So sana kayanin natin. And to those of you that subscribed in my family, thank you so much. And welcome to the family guys. My virtual hug as always. And to the old ones guys, thank you so much for still being here and for supporting me. So let's begin. For my face, I am going to do half of my face is Marc Jacobs. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng primer guys. Then I am going to do in the other side is this L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Okay, for concealer, I am going to use this Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. I'm going to set it with Nichido. A lot of my products today are from the local brand, guys. So, very affordable at makakaya at magagaya. So, yan. I am using this taupe color. Medyo lighter taupe siya. Then, combination of brown dito sa outer crease. Sa outer V natin, maglalagay tayo yung parang, ano lang, grayish. Then, for the inner corners, and dito sa inner eyelids, maglalagay tayo nito ng Estee Lauder na ombre. Then, guys, hindi tayo maglalagay ng black eyeliner. Instead, we are going to do the Estee Lauder na pencil para parang smooth lang siya, and then it's in the shade of brown. So, ilalay natin, then isa-smudge natin yan. Lower lid, I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo sa Cottage Cheese. 3D eyelash. Then, let's proceed with the eyebrows, guys. So, parang sisimplihan na lang natin yung eyebrows. Kasi pagkasal, hindi naman siya curve na curve talaga. Diba ganda ko? Mag-contour tayo konti. Pero huwag naman natin masyadong biglain, no? Then, we're going to do the blush on. Medyo dito tayo titingkat. Kasi, ano nga, blushing bride. Then, for the highlight, yung blush ko, guys, Advanced Ever Bilena. Then, for my highlight, I'm using the Face and Eyes Essence na highlighter. Swirl. I am going to use the black eyeliner. Medyo imi-messy natin. Na jumbo pencil para mag-brighten siya. With the contouring. Ano, darkest na contour, guys. So, same na lang nung contour brush na gagamitin ko. Ayun, dito na siya. Para pababa. Ganyan. Ganyan. I am using the BYS na smudge proof. Pero ang problema natin, masakit yung tip niya, no? Ayan. Parang i-smudge mo lang siya, guys. Parang kamay, ganon. Ayan. yung look niya. Lalagyan natin ng red, guys. Ayan. So, I'm using this MAC na powder. Parang sugat lang. Then, go back with the blue. Kahit hindi ka marunong mag-drawing nito, guys, alam mo to. So, I trust all of you na magagaya nito. Kailangan nyo mag-improvise, guys. Kung anong meron kayo dyan, yan yung gamitin nyo. You don't need to buy. Kasi hindi talaga ito pang professional, guys, ha. Ganyan. Parang i-contour mo siya para maging realistic siya. So, ito, i-contour mo dito sa gilid, sa paligid niya. Ayan. Parang ganun. Ayan. Parang maging sugat-sugat siya. Ayan. Go back and use blue or black. So, dagdagan natin yung itim at saka yung blue. Hindi siya dominant eh. So, kailangan natin magdagdag. Mag-spritz na lang tayo dito. Guys, thank you so much for being with me until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. And sana medyo may natutunan din kayo sa tutorial na ginawa ko. It sounds crazy or it looks crazy, but this is how I recreate a very simple Halloween makeup look, guys. So if you're interested, just let me know and tell me about your thoughts also. And thank you so much, lovies, for staying with me. And we only live once, so better live, love, love. Bye!